From the organizational homepage, select the desired course using the My Courses widget or the course selector icon at the top right of the page. From your course level navbar, select Content to access the Content tool. You can also access the Content tool through your course admin link if you do not have the Content tool on your course navbar. From the Content tool, select the module you want the quiz to be created in. To create and manage modules, see the article Setting Up and Managing a Course. Select Upload Create New Quiz. Fill in the quiz details including name of the quiz, grade value. Be sure to add to gradebook to create an item in the gradebook. And for practice quizzes or formative quizzes, select Not in Gradebook. Add a due date, if applicable, and add a description. For additional quiz configurations, use the drop-down menus on the right side of the quiz creation page. To create a new quiz question, select Create New Question on the quiz creation page. Select question type and fill out question details. Written response question types will require manual grading. To create another question, select Save and New or select Save to return to the quiz creation page. Select Upload a file from your personal device to attach to your quiz. Click Browse Files, drag the file you want to add to the Upload a File window, and click Import All. You can also alternatively select Browse Question Library to add questions from previous quizzes in Brightspace. You can do this by selecting the checkbox of the questions you want to add to your quiz and select Import. As a final option, you can select Import from Learning Repository to browse and choose learning resources to add to your quiz. Click Save and Close. The quiz has now been created. If a grade item was entered, you will now see it in your gradebook. Date and grade information will now be visible based on quiz details. Once you finish reviewing the quiz, use the breadcrumbs or the file path located under the navbar to return to the course content tool.